Some windows are too beautiful to cover up, but unique shapes come with a unique problem. Standard window treatments just don't fit. Blinds gap, curtains hide the shape. Smart Film changes that. It applies directly to your existing glass and is trimmed to your window's exact dimensions, getting even the most irregular shapes a seamless, built-in look. Circular, arched, triangular, trapezoidal, gable, palladian, rake, whatever the shape, Smart Film follows it perfectly. Switch it on, and the glass frosts instantly. Switch it off, and the view comes right back. No awkward gaps, no hardware, no compromise, just a clean, seamless finish that honors the window's unique form. Now, how does it actually work when it comes to fitting? In most cases, we ship the Smart Film directly to you, and you trim it on site. The process is straightforward, and for most shapes, it's easier than you'd expect. The one key decision before you cut is bus bar placement. The bus bar is the connection point where the Smart Film links to its power source, and this area cannot be trimmed. So before cutting, you'll want to determine which edge it sits on. For circular windows, like Oculus or porthole windows, this isn't a concern, since there are no defined sides. For arched, triangular, trapezoidal, gable, palladian, or rake windows, the bus bar is typically placed along the straight sides. Ordering smart glass or prefer to have your Smart Film pre-cut before it arrives? If you're ordering pre-cut Smart Film or smart glass, we simply need AutoCAD drawings of your window shape, and we'll handle the cutting on our end. Don't have AutoCAD drawings? No problem. Send us an image of the installation site along with your measurements, and our team can finalize the drawings for you. Turnaround is typically 3 to 10 days, and the cost varies depending on the shape and complexity of the project. Speak with your product advisor for a detailed quote on drawings and custom cutting. Whether you're trimming on-site or ordering pre-cut, Smart Film adapts to your window, not the other way around. Every shape, every setting, total control.